looking. Why are making a muesli?
Welcome to the first installment of What's Cookin Wednesday, where we tell each other what we're cooking because everybody's brains are working way overtime and we all still have to eat. My kid's been super into oatmeal lately, so I'm looking to change it up a little bit and make something that is going to be quicker and easier in the mornings. So here we have muesli. Muesli is basically overnight oats. It is supposed to be just raw oats with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit that you can soak overnight. But we're gonna do kind of a mashup of granola and muesli.
I'm checking it out.
To make it a little bit more like a cold cereal, we're gonna toast everything first. But unlike granola, there isn't going to be any oil or sweetener. So we just have a pan of oats with some different nuts and seeds. You sprinkle on some of those. And we're gonna toast it all in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And then we'll add some dried fruit on top and it'll be ready to eat tomorrow. And we just put some fruit on top after it is all toasted up. I built up my sourdough starter this week so that I could make bread, which means I have a bunch of discard to deal with. So we're gonna do one of my go-to snacks right now, which is sourdough crackers. And I love it because it just uses discard and butter and herbs. You don't have to add any extra flour to it or anything like that. So we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. And normally I do 2 teaspoons of just regular dried herbs, but I'm actually gonna use this sun-dried tomato paste this time. And then 1/2 cup or 200 grams of sourdough discard. Oh, don't forget the salt.
Spread.
And now dinner, which is the question on everyone's minds come about 2 o'clock. Tonight I'm doing lemon dill chicken with couscous and a bunch of fresh veggies, and then I'll make some tzatziki sauce. Is that tzatziki? Tzatziki? Something like that. So that's my day.